Hello, in this video I want to show you a few ways on how to get glory points in Warhammer Underworlds. So the first way is to complete any of the objective cards. For example, this one right here, it scores 3 different glory tokens, and score this in the end phase if all enemy fighters have been taken out of action. That means we would score 3 of the glory tokens. Another way to do it is by killing enemy models. For example, if we would kill that one, we could score 1 glory point. Now, in case he would have 6+ wounds, if you kill anything that is above a 6 or is a 6 or above wounds, then you would score 2 glory points. And other way to do it is basically on gambit cards. Sometimes they allow you to actually gain glory points, or on the upgrade cards. For example, I think there's a card that allows you to score a glory point each time you kill enemy model, like additional ones. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.